Hello future toppers, let's make maths simple, intuitive and fun together. So we are back with wholesome new question which says find the solution set of the inequality this and this. Okay, so we have to solve this situation. So if you will observe, the base is different. You don't know base is smaller than 1 or greater than 1. Okay, so how we will solve this kind of problem, try to understand. So first we will go with domain. Okay, so first focus on domain. So you know that log a to the base b is a number when raised on b produces a for all a and b greater than 0, means your x square should be greater than 0. Correct? This is your argument. Then second argument is 2x plus 3. This has to be greater than 0. And then you have to make sure that the base 2x plus 3 has to be greater than 0 and your base. These two things are argument, okay? And now it is talking about base, and 2x plus 3 not equal to 1. This is your base. Okay? This is your argument. This is your argument. So first focus over here. Now you know that here x square is greater than 0, so its root is 0 plus plus. So I can say that x belongs to minus infinity to 0 union 0 to infinity. This is your case 1. Okay, now here if you will solve, you will get that x is equal to greater than equal to minus 3 by 2. So from here x belongs to minus 3 by 2 to infinity. Okay, so till this part I feel that you guys are okay. Now you have already solved this thing. Now look at this. According to this part, the second component, you know that 2x not equal to minus 2. So x not equal to minus 1. So you have to remove minus 1. So look at this. So I am talking to required domain. Now in required domain, what you have to do, you have to take care of everything. You know that these two inequality are same, so I did not solve that part. So what we will do, we will take intersection of these two things and we will remove minus 1. Correct? So if you will observe, this is minus 3 by 2 to infinity and here is this. So if you will take intersection now, you will have minus 3 by 2 to minus 1. Minus 1 has to be removed. Okay, union, because this is 1.5 minus of 1.5, so 100% minus 1 will be there. Then minus 1 to 0, then 0 to infinity. This is your domain. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Now what we will do, we will take case 1 where base is greater than 1, and we will take case 2 where base will be smaller than 1. Okay, and then we will take intersection with the given domain. Now suppose that case 1 is base, so 2x plus 3 less than 1. So base is less than 1. So you know that if base is less than 1, the function becomes decreasing function. Acha, you know that base is less than 1 is okay, but it should be greater than 0 also. But look at this, you have already simplified up to the max now. You know that later also you have to take intersection. So whatever extra you have taken here, that will be removed. Okay, so it becomes 2x less than minus 2, yani x less than minus 1. So if x is less than 1, look at this, in this room your function will be what? Decreasing. Correct? I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. Okay, now look at this, you know that the function is decreasing. Now I will focus on the intersection. You know that log x square 2x plus 3 smaller than log 2x plus 3 base 2x plus 3. Now you know that the base is smaller than 1. So if base is smaller than 1, logarithmic function becomes decreasing function. So if you apply or remove decreasing function, sign of inequality will change. So suppose I am removing this log. So we will be left with x square greater than 2x plus 3. Okay. Now just do the simplification part. So we got x square minus 2x minus 3 greater than 0. So x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 greater than 0. So x minus 3 x plus 1 greater than 0. So look at the domain zeros. So it is minus 1, it is 3 plus minus plus. We have to consider only positive rooms. So x belongs to what? Minus infinity. Okay, like wait a moment. So x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 3 to infinity. So what we will do, we will take intersection with the given case. Okay, so in this case x is less than minus 1. Here is this answer. So from this case answer we got as minus infinity to minus 1. Okay, correct? Because it is less than minus 1 na? So after minus 1 you have to remove. Now what we will do, we will take this answer, we will take intersection of this answer with the given domain. So we will get this. Is that clear? So required x1, this is case 1. So it is minus 3 by 2 to minus 1. So this is your answer of case 1. I hope the idea is clear. Okay. Now we will go with case 2. So case 2 is what? Case 2x plus 3 has to be greater than 1. This means 2x greater than minus 2, x greater than minus 1. So we will solve this case, and in this case whatever we will get answer, we will take intersection with the given domain, and then answer of case 1 union answer of case 2. Okay, so it was log x square 2x plus 3 smaller than log 2x plus 3 2x plus 3. Now you know that this time base is greater than 1 means it is increasing function. So if you apply or remove increasing function, the sign of inequality remains the same. So it will look like this. So take everything one side, x square minus 2x minus 3. You have solved this situation. It was x minus 3 x plus 1. Correct na? We have solved in previous case. So it is minus 1, it is 3 plus minus plus. So from here we got x as minus 1 to 3. Now what we will do? We will take intersection. So they are saying that it should be greater than minus 1. But we are getting this. So it is correct now. So we got x as minus 1 to 3. Now what we will do? We will take intersection of this answer with the given domain. Okay, and the given domain is minus 1 to 3. Okay, you have to remove 0. So can I write required x2 is minus 1 to 0 union 0 to 3. This is your required x2. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now you have to quote the final answer. Yes, it is time consuming, but it is worth it. Okay, so required x belongs to, it is what, minus 3 by 2 to minus 1, minus 3 by 2 to minus 1, no, union, minus 1 to 0, no, union 0 to 3. So this is our required answer. I hope you will have this much of patience to solve these kind of problems. What we did, first we have defined the question properly. Then we have assumed case 1 that the base is smaller than 1. Then we have assumed base case 2 where base is greater than 1, and then we have solved, and independently we have taken intersection with the given domain. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.